Raimi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I would do to look cute on Valentine's Day. So that's everything from hair to makeup to body care. So let's just get right into it. Alright, so I have two products to show you that's going to make your skin feel really soft, okay? Before I shave, I always exfoliate to get all the dead skin out and to avoid razor bumps and all that stuff. So I found my new favorite exfoliant, and this is the exfoliating body polish from Dove, and it's in the, is this like a scent? I don't know what to call it, but they have a lot of them. I got kiwi seeds and cool aloe, and this stuff is so bomb. The exfoliating scrubs are so fine and tiny, and they really just get all the dead skin off, and it's perfect when you're going into shaving because then you get an even better shave. So I just want to put you guys on to this. This is like $6 at Target, and it comes with a lot. So after this, when I get out of the shower, I found this brand at Target as well. It's called Raw Sugar, and this body butter is so nice. It's pineapple, berry, and coconut, and it's really nourishing and soothing, especially after shaving, and it makes you so soft and smell good. And I also have the matching lip balm, and this is made with natural cold pressed oils, so it doesn't really taste like anything, even though it says it's the same scent as this. But it's really good, and since it's natural, it doesn't like chap my lips like most chapsticks do, because chapstick is usually a scam. I just read on here, which I didn't know before, it says that for every product you buy, we donate a bar of raw sugar soap to a family in need. So I think that's really nice. So yeah, these two products are really good if you have sensitive skin or dry skin, and who doesn't want to have soft skin? Okay, so on to makeup. For all special events or like holidays or anything, I always do my full skincare routine plus a sheet mask, because sheet masks make my skin so soft and it makes makeup look so much better on my skin, because if you have good skin, then your base makeup is going to look even better. So sheet masks are... I did one last night because I feel like they work better before bed, because your skin does all its renewing and stuff before bed. So that's why I do a sheet mask, and then I wake up in the morning and my skin is all soft. And then before makeup today, and also as a primer, I'm going to be using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I really like this stuff. I want to have like a dewy look today. So you just have to shake it, and then... Even though I have oily skin, I always try to make sure I keep it moisturized, because oily skin needs a lot of moisture or it's going to create its own, which is the oils. So I'm going to start out with the eyes. I'm going to use the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Natural Beige. So I'm going to start off with carving out my brows, and I'm really going to go in with carving them because I need to get my eyebrows done. So I need them to, all the little hairs to be covered up as much as possible. I'm also putting it on my lids to conceal all the veins and discoloration. I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender just to make sure it's all smooth and even. And I'm lightly setting it with the Mercier translucent powder. So for the brown liner, I'm first going to carve out like the shape of what I want it to look like with an eyebrow powder, because that's more foolproof and easier to wipe away if I mess up or if I don't like the angle. Why does that look good? I'm confused. That happened really fast. With a brown felt tip eyeliner, I'm just going to be going over the outline that I made and then filling in the empty space. Since I already primed my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, I'm just going to go in with my foundation. I'm breaking out so bad on this cheek. Do you see that? I'm going to be blending this out with a damp beauty blender. Having a moisturizing primer mixed with a matte foundation is one of my favorite things ever. With the same concealer, I'm going to be concealing my under eyes and also highlighting some of the high points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my chin. I always let my concealer dry just a little bit because it makes it have more coverage, and it just like really just stays on your face longer. After waiting for my concealer to dry down a little bit, I'm just blending that out with a damp beauty blender. I'm just going to pull the concealer out this way to give a more lifted effect to your face. I'm using the Mercier translucent powder to set my face, and I'm using a damp beauty blender for this so I can keep a more dewy skin-like look going. I'm using this Coastal Scents palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade from it to contour and bronze up my face. I'm just going to be doing this to my cheekbones and adding some warmth to my forehead. I'm just cleaning this up with some Mercier powder, and while that happens, I'm going to be contouring my nose a little bit and baking that as well. After a couple minutes, I wipe away my bake with a fluffy brush. This one's from e.l.f. and it's super, super good. I'm going to use Peachy Keen from MAC as my blush today. It has like little shimmers in it, and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Then I'm just going to brush my bake into my under eye. I'm probably going to be spraying my face a lot because I want to keep that dewy skin-like look going. I'm using this Diamond Glow powder from Artist Couture. It's in the shade Illuminati. I'm highlighting the high points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, the inner corner of my eyes, my brow bone, my cheeks of course, and my upper lip. I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and getting it all over my eyelids as usual. But this mascara is so good, oh my god. I'm sure you guys already guessed what lip liner I'm going in with, but if you haven't, it's the Hush Hush lip liner from Buxom that I always use, and then of course the Morphe lipstick in Wifey. Maybe one day I'll change it up, but today is not that day. Should I go with a gloss? I can't tell, because on Valentine's Day, if you're going to be kissing your partner, you probably don't want to wear gloss. Okay, so I decided on no gloss because I think I like the matte look. But now onto hair. I think I want to do like loose waves in my hair. So I'm going to be using a wand. I got this one from Ulta. This is the Bedhead TIGI one. I don't know, it's orange and it looks like this. I'm just going to part my hair into two sections. And I always just tie this one off to the side. Since they're going to be messy, like loose waves, I'm just going to do two sections. So I'll just clip this off to this side as well. So I'm going to start from the back. I don't know, is this 1 inch? I don't know. But a section about this big. And then I just take the wand and I wrap it around. And be careful not to burn yourself. I don't use a glove because I've been doing this forever, but I'll just leave it for a couple seconds. How long do I usually do it for? I never really count, just whenever it feels right. And then it should look like this. And just throw it back there and let it rest. So just in case you want to see me do it again, all I do is I take a medium-ish size section and I wrap it around the curling iron and I wait a couple seconds. Then when it's all done, I just unwrap it and it should look like this. Then I just put it off to the side and let it cool down. So it's super, super simple. Basically, this is before and after. I really like the waves and it's super easy. I don't really comb through them or anything because my hair is already pretty heavy, so they kind of just make long waves anyway. But I don't put hairspray or anything either. I just let them fall throughout the day because they end up looking really cute and wavy. So this is the hair done. It's super easy and super messy, which I think is really cute for Valentine's Day. So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my little, basically a Valentine's Day get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you want to. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. I love you so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!